Welcome back, dear students. I am Swati, lecturer in mathematics. So let us continue with the chapter called as rational and irrational numbers. So today let us solve some of the application problems which are based upon the again rationalizing the denominator concept. So let us solve the first question of today's session. Yes, dear students, if you understand this problem, you can easily solve the exercise 1C fifth question. So these two problems are also based upon the simplification topic, right? So let us solve the problem here. So let us write the given question one more time. So that is 4 minus root 5 divided by 4 plus root 5 plus 4 plus root 5 divided by 4 minus root 5. So you can solve this by applying rationalizing the denominator concept, or you may do it directly by taking the LCM. LCM ಅನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದುಬಿಟ್ಟು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಾದರೂ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು, or you can do by applying the rationalizing the denominator concept. So rationalizing the denominator concept is nothing but multiply this first term by rationalizing factor of the denominator, that is 4 minus root 5 ಇಂದ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ rationalizing factor for this one is 4 plus root 5. So 4 plus root 5 ನ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ and ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಎರಡಕ್ಕೂ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಆ ತರ ಆದ್ರೂ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು, ಆರ್ ಯು ಮೇ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಇಟ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ by using the LCM method. So let us take the LCM for the denominator. So when you observe the denominator, both are two different terms. One is 4 plus root 5 and another one is 4 minus root 5. When there are two different terms in the denominator, then multiplication of those two will become the LCM. 4 plus root 5 into 4 minus root 5 as it is. ಇವೆರಡರ ಮಧ್ಯೆ into ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Then cross multiplication. So this is the LCM. Then 4 minus root 5 into 4 minus root 5 is 4 minus root 5 whole square. 4 minus root 5 into 4 minus root 5. ಅದೇ ತರ plus is there, write down plus 4 plus root 5 into 4 plus root 5, that is 4 plus root 5 whole square. So ಇದು ನಾವು ಯಾವ ತರ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ, if you consider the two numbers like this, 1 by 3 plus 1 by 2. So LCM of this, ಇದನ್ನ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಡಿನೋಮಿನೇಟರ್ಗೆ LCM ತೆಗಿತೀವಿ. 3 2s 6. ಅದೇ ತರನೇ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು 4 plus root 5 into 4 minus root 5. Then cross multiply this, 2 1s 2 plus 3 1s 3. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬರೀತೀವಿ. Then 3 plus 2 is 5 by 6 is the answer. Same thing here. So first denominator ನ ಬರ್ದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ LCM ತೆಗ್ದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ cross multiplication. 4 minus root 5 into 4 minus root 5 is 4 minus root 5 whole square plus 4 plus root 5 into 4 plus root 5 is 4 plus root 5 whole square. Now you can see that it is in the form of a minus b whole square and it is in the form of a plus b whole square. So note down the formulas here. A minus b whole square. What is the formula for a minus b whole square? A square plus b square minus 2ab. A square plus b square minus 2ab. Similar to that, a plus b whole square. So what is the formula for a plus b whole square? A square plus b square plus 2ab plus 2ab. Then next observe the denominator here. A plus b into a minus b. That means it is in the form of the standard algebraic formula called a square minus b square. So a square minus b square means a plus b into a minus b. Apply these three formulas in this problem. Now apply for the numerator. A minus b whole square. A square means 4 square minus b square means root 5 whole square. Sorry, plus b square means root 5 whole square minus 2 into a andre 4 into b andre root 5. Next, write the bracket for this. Next plus A plus B whole square. A square means 4 square plus B square means root 5 whole square plus 2AB. 2 into A andre 4, B andre root 5. Next, all divided by, apply this, A plus B into A minus B, that is A square minus B square. A square andre 4 square minus B square andre root 5 whole square. Now simplify the numerator. 4 square means multiply the 4 2 times, that is 4 square means 4 4 is 16 plus 2 and root 2 will cancel, 5 remained here. Then multiply this, 2 4 is 8, then 8 root 5 plus write the bracket for this. Next 4 square means 16 plus this 2 and square root will cancel, so it become 5 plus 4 2 is 8 root 5. Then divided by, so observe here, 4 square means 16 minus again 2 and square root will cancel, 16 minus 5. Clear? Next step, so add this, 16 plus 5 add ಮಾಡಿ, 16 plus 5 is 21 minus 8 root 5, again here plus ide, plus 16 plus 5 is 21 plus 8 root 5. So here plus into plus is plus 8 root 5 divided by 16 minus 5 is 11. So simplification artha madkobekili, 16 plus 5 is 21 minus 8 root 5 henge ಬರ್ದಿದೀವಿ, plus as it is ಬರ್ದಿದೀವಿ, 16 plus 5 is 21 plus 8 root 5 ಹಾಗೆ ಬರ್ದಿದೀವಿ. Now observe here, minus 8 root 5 plus 8 root 5 will cancel with each other. Then what is the remaining value here? So 21 plus 21, that is 42 divided by, so what is the denominator? 11. So now it is in the fraction, we have to convert this into a mixed fraction. ಇದನ್ನ mixed fraction ಗೆ convert ಮಾಡಿ. So mixed fraction ಗೆ ಯಾವ ತರ convert ಮಾಡೋದು? 42 must be divided by 11. So 11 3s are 33, 11 4s are 44 ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So higher number ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So that 11 3s are 33 ಮಾಡಿ, 12 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಹೋದ್ರೆ 9. So here 0. So now write it in the form of mixed fraction. First write the quotient, then in the numerator write the remainder, in the denominator write the divisor. So first quotient baribeku, 3 is the quotient here. Next you have to write the remainder, that is 9 is the remainder, and divisor is 11. So this is how we have to solve or we have to simplify the given questions. ಇವು ಕೂಡ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅದೇ ತರನೇ ಮಾಡುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಸೊ ಸೇಮ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ನ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿ, ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ ನ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತಾ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಆಯ್ತು. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ one way of solving the problem based upon the rationalization. So next we will solve the second problem in today's session. Yes, dear students, the second question is rationalize the denominator of 1 divided by root 3 plus root 2 minus 1. So if you understand this problem, you can easily solve the exercise 1C, rationalizing the denominator, that is 12th question. So 1 divided by root 3 minus root 2 plus 1, adana easy agi solve ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Now let us consider the given question. So given, so what is the given question here? 1 divided by root 3 plus root 2 minus 1. So we have to rationalize this. So ನಾವು ಇದುವರೆಗೂ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಓನ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಟೂ ಇರ್ರಾಷನಲ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ 2 ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್. ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇರ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಬಟ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕೇಸ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ದ 3 ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್, 3 ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಈ ತರ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಹೇಗೆ ನಾವು ರ್ಯಾಷನಲೈಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಕಲಿತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ. Now you have to group this. So ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು rationalize ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ you have to group like this. Root 3 plus root 2 has one thing, minus 1 in separate. So like this you have to group the denominator. Then apply the rationalizing concept to this. Rationalizing factor for the denominator is negative sign ಅನ್ನ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಸೈನ್ ಆಗಿ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಅದು ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಕಟ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ rationalizing this the root 3 plus root 2 plus 1 divided by, so root 3 plus root 2 plus 1. So rationalizing factor ಇಂದ ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ ಈಗ rationalization ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. So next we have to simplify this. Observe the numerator 1 into root 3 plus root 2 plus 1. So that remains as it is, root 3 plus root 2 plus 1. Next, when you observe the denominator, again it is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. Observe here, this whole thing you consider it as a and this is b. That means a plus b. And here also this whole thing you consider it as a and this is b, a minus b. So a plus b into a minus b, as we know the standard formula, a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Right? So apply that. A square ante helidre root 3 plus root 2 whole square minus b square ante helidre 1 square. Root 3 plus root 2 whole square minus b square ante helidre 1 square. Now numerator remains as it is, root 3 plus root 2 plus 1. So if you want you can remove the bracket there and you can observe the denominator. So a plus b whole square. So ಇದು ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ, a plus b whole square ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. So apply a plus b whole square to that. So what is the formula for this? A square plus b square plus 2ab. So apply the same thing here. A square andre root 3 whole square plus b square andre root 2 whole square plus 2ab. 2 into a andre root 3, b andre root 2 minus 1. 1 square is 1. Now simplify this. Numerator remains as it is, root 3 plus root 2 plus 1 divided by, this 2 1 square root will cancel, 3 uliyutte, 2 1 square root will cancel, 2 uliyutte, plus 2 root 3 into root 2 is root 6 minus 1. Now write the numerator as it is, root 3 plus root 2 plus 1 divided by, so 3 plus 2 is 5 plus 2 root 6 minus 1. So next step, root 3 plus root 2 plus 1 divided by 5 minus 1. So 5 minus 1 means 4 plus 2 root 6. ನೋಡಿ, ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಹಂಗೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. 3 plus 2 plus 2 root 6 minus 1 ಬಂದಿದೆನಾ. ಸೊ 3 plus 2 is 5 plus 2 root 6 ಹಂಗೆ ಇದೆ, minus 1 ಕೂಡ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಹಂಗೆ ಬರ್ದಿದೀವಿ. ನಾವು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ದ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್. 5 minus 1 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 4 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, plus 2 root 6 ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಹಂಗೆ ಬರ್ದಿದೀವಿ. ರೈಟ್. ನೌ ಅಗೈನ್ ದ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್, root 3 plus root 2 plus 1 divided by, so observe here 4 ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಇದೆ, you can take 2 common. So 2 common ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ 4 ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, 2 2s are 4, 2 remained here, 2 ಉಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ, plus 2 is common outside ತಕೊಂಡಿದೀವಿ, so here root 6 will remain, root 6 ಉಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ. Next step is you have to rationalize this once again. So ಇಷ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, again you have to simplify this. ಇದನ್ನ ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. So rationalize this once again. So therefore the rationalizing factor of 2 plus root 6 is 2 minus root 6. 2 plus root 6 in rationalizing factor ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ, 2 minus root 6 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So that rationalizing the remaining part here, so consider this one. So ಇದನ್ನ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಈಗ. root 3 plus root 2 plus 1 divided by 2 into 2 plus root 6 into rationalizing the denominator concept. So 2 minus root 6, 2 minus root 6 divided by 2 minus root 6. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊತಾ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು, ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಆಫ್ this term with this or this term with this. ಸೊ ಈ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ನ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕೀಗ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಸೊ ನಾವು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಇಯರ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ 2 ವಿತ್ ದೀಸ್ 3 ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್. 2 ನ ಈ 3 ಜೊತೆಗೂ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ 2 ಇಂಟು ರೂಟ್ 3 2 ರೂಟ್ 3 ಆಗತ್ತೆ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2 ಇಂಟು ರೂಟ್ 2 2 ರೂಟ್ 2 ಆಗತ್ತೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆನಾ? ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2 into 1 2 ಆಗತ್ತೆ. Now observe here there is a minus sign, so note down the minus and put a bracket for this. Now multiply root 6 with 3. Root 6 into 3 that is root 18. So 6 3 is 18. ಎರಡು ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೆ, ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ is there. Root 6 into 2 that is root 6 2 is 12. Again plus is there. Root 6 into 1 that is root 6. Root 6 into 1 that is root 6. Divided by 2 as it is. 2 as it is. Next observe the denominator here. A plus b into a minus b, right? A square minus b square. So 2a iddange root 6 is b here. So that a square anta helidre 2 square minus b square anta helidre root 6 whole square. Simplification artha ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತಾ ಹೋಗಿ. So first I am going to multiply this with these 3. 2 into root 3 plus 2 into root 2 plus 2. ಮೈನಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಬರ್ದಿದೀವಿ. ರೂಟ್ 6 ಇಂಟು 3 6 3 is 18 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ರೂಟ್ 6 ಇಂಟು 2 ರೂಟ್ 6 2 is 12 ರೂಟ್ 6 ಇಂಟು 1 ರೂಟ್ 6. ದೆನ್ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ 2 ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಬರ್ದಿದೀವಿ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ a ಪ್ಲಸ್ b ಇಂಟು a ಮೈನಸ್ b ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಯಾಟ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ದಿಸ್. 2 ರೂಟ್ 3 ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಹಂಗೆ ಬರೀರಿ. 2 ರೂಟ್ 2 ಹಂಗೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದೀವಿ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2 ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್, ನೋ ಚೇಂಜಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ multiply this minus inside. Minus root 18 minus into plus minus root 12 minus into plus minus root 6 whole divided by 2 into 2 square is nothing but 4. 2 square andre ಎಷ್ಟು 4 minus this 2 and 6 root I will cancel, so this becomes minus 6. 2 square is 4 minus 6. And next step simplification. Note down 2 root 3 as it is, 2 root 2 plus 2, and now this 18 can be written as 9 2s are 18. 9 2s are 18. Square root of 9 2s are 18 minus this 12 can be written as, ಈ 12 ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರೀಬಹುದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ 4 3s are 12 minus root 6 whole divided by 2 into 4 minus 6 is minus 2. 4 minus 6 is minus 2. 6 al 4 hodre 2, bigger number sign is minus 2. Next step 2 root 3 plus 2 root 2 plus 2. Now observe here. So minus root 9 andre 3 is the value, root 2 minus root 4 andre 2 root 3 minus root 6 all divided by 2 2s are 4, that is minus 4. Clear? So illivargu this term remains as it is. Simplification of this root 9 andre 3 3 3s are 9, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ root 2 ಉಳಿತು minus root 4 andre 2 2 2s are 4, that's why root 4 means 2, then root 3 ಉಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದೆ minus root 6. Then divided by 2 2s are 4, that is minus 4. And next step, so you can observe here plus 2 root 3 minus 2 root 3 will cancel with each other. Then now observe here 2 root 2 plus 2 root 2 minus 3 root 2. So 3 alli 2 hodre 1, that is root 2 ಉಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ. root 2 which is a bigger number here, 3 na 2 na bigger number, so 3 is the bigger number, so minus root 2 ಉಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ. So 3 and 2 over 1, that is minus bigger number sign ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಮೈನಸ್ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. Then what are all remained here? Plus 2 ಉಳ್ಕೊಂತು, minus root 6 ಉಳಿದಿದೆ, whole divided by minus 4. whole divided by minus 4. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ ನೀವು ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ರೂಟ್ ಟು ಸೇಮ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದಾನೆ we can do the subtraction here. 3 and 2 ಹೋದ್ರೆ 1. if there is no 1 here, it is understood that coefficient of a irrational number, that is any surrogate, is always 1. And now observe here, minus 2 root 2 plus 2 ಉಳ್ಕೊಂತು, minus root 6 ಉಳ್ಕೊಂತು. then take a minus outside, minus ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗೀರಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ ರೂಟ್ 2 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಮೈನಸ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗ್ದಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಮೈನಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಉಳ್ಕೋತು, 2 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಸೊ ಮೈನಸ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗ್ದಿದೀವಿ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ರೂಟ್ 6 divided by minus 4. this minus and minus will get cancel. so root 2 minus 2 plus root 6 divided by 4. so root 2 minus 2 plus root 6 divided by 4 is the simplified value for which one? so that is 1 divided by root 3 plus root 2 minus 1. same as it is, ಇದೇ ತರನೇ ಮಾಡುವಂಥದ್ದು. so exercise 12th question. ಸೊ ನೋಡಿ, ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 divided by root 3 minus root 2 plus 1 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ರೂಟ್ 3 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ರೂಟ್ 2 ಮೈನಸ್ 1 ಬದಲು ರೂಟ್ 3 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ರೂಟ್ 2 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ತರ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ನೀವು ಒಂದು 2 or 3 ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ. ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ವೈಸ್ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತಾ ಹೋಗಿ, ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ದ ನಾಲೆಡ್ಜ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದಿಸ್. ಅಂಡ್ ಮೇನ್ಲಿ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ದ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್, ಯಾವ ತರ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತಾ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಡೂ ದ next type of problem, that is third problem. yes dear students, let us move to the next type of problems. so when you observe the problem, if root 3 is equal to 1.73 means the value of this root 3 they already given in the form of fractions, that is nothing but decimal format ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. find the value of this expression. so ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಇನ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಅನ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು by substituting this value. and if you understand this problem, you can easily do all these problems. so you can observe here exercise 1C 13th question. so in this they given root 2 value, that is 1.4, and root 3 value, that is 1.7. you have to find each of the following up to 1 decimal places ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದೇ ನಂಬರ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಬರ್ಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತಲ್ಲಿ. ನಾವು ರೂಟ್ 3 ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಇದೆ ಗಿವನ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ರೂಟ್ 2 ಕೂಡ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಬಟ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಮೇಕ್ ಎ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ರ್ಯಾಷನಲೈಸಿಂಗ್ ದ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್, ಸೊ ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಅನ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡು ರ್ಯಾಷನಲೈಸಿಂಗ್ ದ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುವಂತ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಗೆ ಈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ ಟು ದಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ all these three. so let us understand this problem. so let us write the given question. so ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. so that is 2 plus root 3 divided by 2 minus root 3 plus 2 minus root 3 divided by 2 plus root 3, right, plus root 3 minus 1 divided by root 3 plus 1 minus root 3 plus 1 divided by root 3 minus 1. root 3 minus 1. Now when you observe this problem, we can simplify this by grouping the first two terms and by grouping the next two terms because they look similar. ಸೊ ಈ ಫಸ್ಟ್ 2 ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ 2 ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಾವು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಆಸ್ ಯೂಶುವಲ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ರ್ಯಾಷನಲೈಸಿಂಗ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ, ಆರ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ದ LCM ಮೆಥಡ್. LCM ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಸೊ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಯೂಸ್ ದ LCM ಮೆಥಡ್ ಇನ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಟು ಮೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸಿಯರ್. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ us ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ here. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ LCM is 2 minus root 3 into 2 plus root 3 is the LCM. Next, cross multiply this 2 plus root 3 into 2 plus root 3, that is 2 plus root 3 whole square plus 2 minus root 3 into 2 minus root 3, that is 2 minus root 3 whole square. Clear? So first I will take previous problem alli helidivalla ade tarane. First you have to do the LCM for this. 2 plus root 3 into 2 plus root 2 minus root 3 into 2 plus root 3. Then cross multiplication. 2 plus root 3 into 2 plus root 3 is whole square. 2 minus root 3 into 2 minus root 3. 2 minus root 3 whole square. So similar to this, apply for the next two block. So E one the part apply madi. So LCM for the denominator, root 3 plus 1 into root 3 minus 1. Now cross multiply. Root 3 minus 1 into root 3 minus 1, that is root 3 minus 1 whole square. Whole square minus root 3 plus 1 into root 3 plus 1, that is root 3 plus 1 whole square. Root 3 plus 1 whole square. Now as usual, a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square, a square minus b square, same thing. ಅದೇ ಮೂರು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡುವಂತದ್ದು. ಸೊ a ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ b ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರೂಟ್ 3 ಹೋಲ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2ab, 2 ಇಂಟು a ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2, b ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರೂಟ್ 3 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್. So you can apply the bracket here. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ bracket ಕೂಡ ಹಾಕೋಬಹುದು in order to avoid the confusion. Next, a minus b whole square ಮಾಡಿ ಈಗ. So that is 2 square plus b square ಅಂದ್ರೆ root 3 whole square minus 2ab, minus 2 into a into b. So that is all divided by a plus b into a minus b. That is 2 square minus root 3 whole square. Next, similar to this, you have to apply for the next block here. A minus b whole square. So a square andre root 3 whole square minus b square andre 1 square. Sorry, plus a minus b whole square andre a square plus b square. B square andre 1 square minus 2ab, 2 into a andre root 3, b andre 1. Clear? Next, minus. So root 3 plus 1 whole square, that is a plus b whole square apply ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. So a plus b whole square ಅಂದ್ರೆ so root 3 whole square, root 3 whole square, root 3 whole square. Next, plus b square ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ that is 1 square plus 2ab, 2 into a into b ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 divided by, so a plus b into a minus b, that is root 3 whole square minus 1 square. A plus b whole square, a minus b whole square, a minus b whole square, a plus b whole square. Here a square minus b square formula na apply ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. Next, simplify this. 2 square means 4 plus this 2 and 3 square root will cancel 3. Here 2 2s are 4. So 4 root 3 plus 2 square means 4 plus 2 and square root will cancel 3 minus 2 2s are 4 root 3 divided by 2 square means 4 minus 2 and square root will cancel, that is 3. Next, simplify this. 2 and square root will cancel 3 plus 1 square means 1 only minus 2 into 1 2 root 3 minus of 2 and square root will cancel 3 plus 1 plus 2 root 3. So all divided by 2 and square root will cancel 3 ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ minus 1. Next step, add this 4 plus 3 7. Here plus 4 root 3 minus 4 root 3 cancel. Again 4 plus 3 is 7. So 7 plus 7 divided by 4 minus 3 is 1. Plus, so here 3 plus 1 is 4 minus 2 root 3. And here 3 plus 1 is 4 minus into, let us simplify that, minus of 3 plus 1, 4 plus 2 root 3 divided by 3 minus 1 is 2 here. Clear? Next step, I will write here only, next step. So 7 plus 7 is 14 minus 7 plus 7 is 14 minus here 4 minus 2 root 3, sorry here plus is there, 7 plus 7 14 plus 4 minus 2 root 3, again minus into plus minus 4 minus into plus minus 2 root 3 whole divided by 2. Right? So 4 minus 2 root 3 as it is ಹಂಗೆ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಮೈನಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ ದ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್. ಮೈನಸ್ ಇಂಟು 4 minus 4 minus into plus minus 2 root 3 divided by 2. Now plus 4 and minus 4 will cancel. Now observe here. So I will write here. So 14 plus you can see minus 2 root 3 minus 2 root 3, that is minus 4 root 3 divided by 2. Minus 4 root 3 divided by 2. Now simplify this. 2 ones are 2 2s are 4. Then 14 minus 2 root 3 is the remained value. 14 minus 2 root 3. Nodi illi minus 2 root 3 minus 2 root 3, that is minus 4 root 3. ಎರಡು ಮೈನಸ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅಗೇನ್ minus 4 root 3 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಮೈನಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 14 minus 2 ones are 2 2s are, that is 2 root 3. Now substitute the values. 14 minus 2 root 3 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ that is 1.73 is the value. Now 14 minus 2 into 1.73. So 2 into 1.73 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ you will get 3.46. ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಆನ್ಸರು? 3.46. 2 3s are 6, 2 7s are 14, 1 ಉಳಿತು, 2 1s are 2 plus 1 is 3. Now subtract this. 14 minus 13.46. 14 minus 3.46. 14 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 3.46 ಹೋದ್ರೆ that is 10.54. That is 10.54 is the answer. So this is how we have to simplify. ಇದರೊಳಗಡೆ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಸೈನ್ ಯಾವ ತರ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಇದೇ ತರನೇ ನೀವು ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಸೈಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿರೋ 1C ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅನ್ನ 1C ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ 13th ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವಂತ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅನ್ನ ರ್ಯಾಷನಲೈಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಅವಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಈ ತರ ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ. ಈ ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಗೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಫ್ ರೂಟ್ 2 and root 3, then you will get the final answer. So next we will move on to the 4th problem of today's session. Yes dear students, the 4th question of today's session, that is if x is equal to 3 plus 2 root 3, check whether x plus 1 by x is a rational or irrational. Means you have to simplify x plus 1 by x, then the result what we got, ನಮಗೆ ಏನೇನು ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ವೆದರ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ರ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಆರ್ ಇರ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Now so let us solve this. So note down the given thing. So in the question they given that x is equal to 3 plus 2 root 2 ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, right? Then x plus 1 by x we want. So we want to find the 1 by x, right? So 1 by x means 1 divided by what is x value, that is 3 plus 2 root 2. Next step is we have to rationalize the denominator. So ಯಾವಾಗ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಇರ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಥವಾ ಸರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, then we have to apply the rationalizing the denominator concept. So that rationalizing this 1 divided by 3 plus 2 root 2 into, so what is the rationalizing factor for the denominator? 3 minus 2 root 2 divided by 3 minus 2 root 2. Now multiply this. 1 into 3 minus 2 root 2 is 3 minus 2 root 2 divided by a plus b into a minus b. Apply that. A plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square andre 2 root 2 whole square. A square minus b square. Next 3 minus 2 root 2 divided by 3 square andre 9 minus 4 square is 2 square is nothing but 4 into this 2 and 2 will cancel 2 ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ 3 square ಅಂದ್ರೆ 9 minus ಇಲ್ಲಿ this square root has to be applied for both 2 and root 2. So root 2 apply ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 2 ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ 2 apply ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 2 2s 4. Then 3 minus 2 root 2 divided by 9 minus 4 2s 8. Then 3 minus 2 root 2, 9 minus 8 is 1. This implies 3 minus 2 root 2 is the answer. Now observe, this is 1 by x we got. But question ishte alla. So what they ask, so to check whether x plus 1 by x is a rational or irrational, therefore we have to find x plus 1 by x. So substitute the values. What is x value? 3 plus 2 root 2 plus what is 1 by x we got? 1 by x is 3 minus 2 root 2. Right? In this plus 2 root 2 minus 2 root 2 will cancel with each other. So that 3 plus 3 is 6. 3 plus 3 and raised to 6. Observe the number. The result we got 6 is a rational or irrational. Yav tara number idu. So it is a rational number. ಈ 3 ಅನ್ನೋದು rational number ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. This is a rational number. So this is about the today's session. So this completes exercise 1C. ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ exercise 1C complete ಆಗತ್ತೆ. Tomorrow is the last session based on this chapter. So in tomorrow's session we will discuss the application problems, that is exercise 1D ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ application problems ಅನ್ನು solve ಮಾಡೋಣ. So solve the assignment questions what I given here and submit it to the group, and if you have any doubts you can call me or you can WhatsApp me. So thank you all.